Welcome to Mysteries of the Cosmos. Today, we embark on an incredible journey to explore our celestial home. The Milky Way, a breathtaking spiral galaxy, is where our solar system resides. It's a vast island of billions of stars, gas, and dust, all bound together by gravity. From Earth, we see it as a band of light across the night sky, a testament to its immense scale and intricate beauty. Our Milky Way is just one of countless galaxies in the observable universe, a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Like many spiral galaxies, the Milky Way has a distinct structure: a central bulge, a disk with spiral arms, and a surrounding halo. At the very heart of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A, millions of times the mass of our Sun, exerting a powerful gravitational pull. The spiral arms are where most of the action happens, regions of active star formation, filled with young, hot, blue stars and glowing nebulae. Our Sun, along with Earth and the other planets, is located in one of these spiral arms, specifically the Orion arm, about 2/3 of the way out from the galactic center. We are constantly moving. Our solar system orbits the galactic center at an incredible speed, taking approximately 230 million years to complete one revolution. Our unique position within the Milky Way's disk is what allows us to see its majestic band of light across the night sky, a cosmic masterpiece. The Milky Way is a diverse stellar nursery, home to stars of all types and sizes, from tiny red dwarfs to colossal blue giants, each living out its unique life cycle. Our galaxy isn't alone in the universe. It's part of a neighborhood called the Local Group, which includes other galaxies, big and small. The most famous of our neighbors is the Andromeda galaxy, a massive spiral galaxy on a collision course with the Milky Way. But don't worry, this cosmic dance won't happen for billions of years. The Milky Way also has smaller satellite galaxies, like the Magellanic Clouds, which orbit our galaxy and sometimes interact with it, creating stellar streams. In billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge to form a new, larger elliptical galaxy, often playfully named Milkomeda. Our cosmic home is always evolving. The Milky Way Galaxy is more than just our home. It's a testament to the incredible wonders of the universe. From its sprawling spiral arms to its central black hole and its ongoing journey through space, our galaxy is a constant source of awe and scientific discovery. Join us next time on Mysteries of the Cosmos as we continue our exploration of the universe's most captivating phenomena. Until then, keep looking up